West 99th Street.
Okay, that's pretty cool. Now, what is your name?
Debbie.
What is it?
Debbie. D-E-B-B-Y.
Okay, Debbie. Do you own the Debbie Hostess cake?
Yes, how did you know that?
Debbie, are you related to them?
Yes, I am actually little Debbie. And my big brother's Debbie.
Okay. So, why are you bothering us? We're poor people.
Your point?
I said, why are you bothering us?
What is your point?
My point is, I have the FBI looking for you as we speak right now.
I just gave you my address and my name is Debbie.
Okay, and what do you want from us?
Pancakes!
Oh my God. Hello?
Can I have them by tomorrow, please? Oh my God. That's the funniest thing ever.